Are you interested in learning about law but you don't know where to start? Listen, let me show you the best law books to help you understand the basics. I'm going to give you 5 examples. Now, this video is not for financial advice, it's for educational purposes only while I drive here. Now, if you've ever wanted to dive into the world of law, it can be overwhelming at first. There's so much information out there, and you just might not know where to focus your time on. Okay? So don't worry, there are some amazing books that can really help you to understand the basics of law. And even if you're just starting, all right? So here we go. Here are the 5 great law books for beginners. Law 101 by J.M. Feinman. It's a simple, easy to understand instruction to the basics of law. Then you have also The Law of Torts, okay, by John Murphy. Okay? Now, it's a great book. It explains the civil wrongs and personal injury law. Then there's also the Constitution of the United States. Learning about the Constitution is a must-read for anyone interested in law. There's also The Legal Analyst, okay, by Ward Farnsworth. I'll put his name and everything else in the description, by the way. This book breaks down the logic of legal thinking in a simple way, if that's what you like. And you have another one called What You Need to Know About the Law by Harvard Law School. It's a beginner's guide to understanding the legal rights and the justice system. Now, these books are going to make the world of law much easier to understand, so don't hesitate to start learning today. And if you got anything out of this video, like it please, and I love you.